Have you ever wondered how to create a fairy tale garden for your children? Picture this, a magical corner in your garden where fairy tale dreams come to life. But before the magic happens, you need a solid plan. The key is to find that perfect spot in your garden. Then let your imagination run wild. Will it be a fairy forest or a magical castle? The choice is yours. Remember, creating a fairy tale garden begins with a solid plan and a sprinkle of imagination. Once you've decided on a theme, it's time to choose and plant your greenery. For a fairy tale feel, consider flowering plants, enchanting vines, and mystical ferns. To plant, first prepare the soil by loosening it and adding compost. Then, plant the seeds or seedlings, ensuring each has enough room to grow. Water them gently, and in the coming weeks, provide consistent care. This means regular watering and the removal of any weeds. Remember, the secret to a lush fairy tale garden is patience and care. With your plants in place, it's time to bring the fairy tale to life. Consider adding miniature houses nestled among the foliage, creating a whimsical village for tiny inhabitants. Fairy lights can add a magical glow, transforming the garden into an enchanting realm at dusk. Perhaps hide little treasures for young explorers to discover. Remember, it's essential to opt for durable, weather-resistant items to withstand the elements. These fairy tale elements can turn an ordinary garden into a magical oasis for your children. Finally, maintaining your fairy tale garden is just as important as creating it. Regular watering, careful pruning, and the occasional replacement of worn-out fairy tale elements keep the magic alive. With regular care, your fairy tale garden will continue to enchant and delight your children. Creating a fairy tale garden for your children is a rewarding project that can bring joy and magic to your backyard. Plan, choose your plants, add fairy tale elements, and maintain it for endless enjoyment. Why not give it a try? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing garden ideas.